So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Electrical. So today with me I have 2000 Khaitan magnate ceiling fan. So this is a 1200 mm brown color. So this fan I have collected from the building from a old acquaintance who actually renovated his flat. So this is a older this is a older one. So this is having a upper bearing and a lower bush, and the fan is well maintained. Canopy is a little faded, I know that, but that's not a great issue. Like these old fans, this is actually a problem with these ones, that the canopy is fade off. As you know, it's plastic, it will fade, so no issues. But the fan is well maintained, the paint is in good condition, only some scratches only down road over time. So I'll rectify that. I'll just paint the down road and all that. And so let me show you the capacitor of the fan. This is the capacitor is still the original Khaitan capacitor given by the company. So let me show you. So I have opened the fan once because this fan was making slight noises, like noise from the bearing and noise from the bush, as it was not been opened for a long time. For now this is free. So let me show the capacitor. So you can see this is the original Khaitan capacitor. As you can see, May 2001, and here's the month and year 0501, hence proof this is a 2001 piece and a May 2001 ceiling fan, as you can see. And this is the serial number and all those. Khaitan Electricals Limited, Hyderabad, India. So this is the Hyderabad product in any case. And you can see this is the bearing cover. So you just need to open the screws here and then you can grease the bearing. I have greased it already. And this is the 14 pole motor, not a 12. This is a 14 pole motor. As you know, Khaitan in those days, those wide blade fans and thick motor fans, those had 14 pole only. This is not that thick. This is a thinner motor, as this is the new generation magnate, but still this is a lower bush and upper bearing, and the blades are little thinner. I'm sorry, I don't have the I, I actually have the blades, but those are not with me right now. I have to open the storage and I have to take it out again, so that will take a long while. That's why I'm not showing the blades. And anyways, the performance of this fan is not possible in this video, so that's why I really apologize for that. I'm really sorry, but still I'm just gonna be showing the working like this. I'll show it to you for once, whether the fan is working or not. No worries, the it's actually working, but I'll show you. Not a great deal. And here you can see this is the lower part. So this is the fan, quite simple fan only, nothing much plastic and all. Only the canopies are plastic, and I don't have the shackle with me because that was stuck in the ceiling and didn't come out. So I just got this fan and this nut over here. It's fine, no problem. And this is the original winding fan, not yet rewound. You can see yellow is the main winding, blue auxiliary, and the sorry, red is main. Sorry, red is red is common, yellow is main, and blue is auxiliary. So these are the winding connections. The connections are given here. This blue and red wire which you are seeing, this is the original Khaitan company wire. So okay, that's a good thing. Khaitan used to give wires in those days. And so this is the fan as you are seeing. And so this is a good fan. Airflow is considerably good. This was a good model. This was in the market from around late 80s early 90s to 2010s, but now the production has stopped for some reason. I don't know why, but the production has stopped. This was a very trustable model from Khaitan and it was a good one, but I don't know for what purpose they have stopped the production. Maybe because of cost cutting and all that kind of things. So literally no one cares. Khaitan is also going to junkyard nowadays. So you can see the fan is free. You can see here. So the it's okay. And I've checked the windings. The windings are in good condition. This is still running with the original winding. I'm more than happy. And the blades are also not bent. Blades are also in a good condition. So that's a bonus point for me. Yeah, some paint scars. And now some people might be asking, when I had raised the canopy, this canopy had quite a lot of dust and this does not have that much of dust, and this is having paint scuffs and the upper canopy is clean. So why like that? So the problem was that when this fan was installed in those days in the 2000s, this upper canopy was made as the lower one and this was made as the upper canopy. I mean, the positions of the canopies were flipped because the diameter of this canopy was not sufficient enough to cover the ceiling, but this one is a larger one. As you know, the Khaitan fans, these canopies used to be broader and these used to be little bit, I mean, you can understand. So that was the thing in those days. Those plastic circular plate like things were not there. So that's why this jugaad was done in the olden days. So that was the thing. And rest, it's fine. Like this gives 215 cubic meter per minute airflow, and that's almost satisfactory. It will make you it will give you a good sleep actually. It does give you a good sleep. Yeah, I know that with good airflow, this is also known for burnt windings, but this never burnt, nor it gave any problems to the owner. The bush was momentarily oiled. It's not that it used to trouble a lot, and the fan is still having the original bush, so no problems like that. The fan is working without any issue until now, and it's a good fan, I may say you. The Khaitan Magnet was quite a trustable model. Nowadays, Khaitan has gone to bad quality. If you are having this, I would suggest you just keep it with you. If winding is burnt, get it rewinded, or if anything has happened, if it's in a bad condition, just restore the fan and use it. This kind of quality you'll not get in the market in any case. So that's the thing about this Khatan magnet. And so the now about the bush bearing version from the 90s till 2000s, it was bushed only, but later after Ipro series and all the newer versions and newer models from Khaitan which came after that, this also was switched to double ball bearing. I guess, yeah, it was switched to double ball bearing and ads were given SKF double ball bearing and all that. Yeah, kind of. So that's the thing. And this had a deco version also known as Khaitan Jewel. So that fan is also discontinued. All legends of Khaitan are discontinued now. Those 80s and 90s high breezes also were good. Khaitan previously was a good company actually. Quite trustable and old company also. So now let me start the fan. So you can see now there's no such bearing noises and all that. Fan is working hassle free. Nothing to worry about. So as you can see, this is in a good speed also. The capacitor hasn't failed. So now let me stop the fan. Spin down is also long because bush is also oiled properly and the bearing is also greased. Only problem is that I'm not able to use the fan because all ceilings are kind of engaged, so that's why this fan is not being used. And this fan is, the performance video is also unavailable, so I'm really sorry for it. So guys, how's the fan? So let me know in the comment section. To me it is a great fan, and this is great for my collection also. To you can comment it in the comment section. And about the rest, I'll try to show you the performance of this fan. It's actually quite satisfactory. I've had the airflow of this fan. So when I was small, this fan was capable of actually spreading the air all around the room. So it was about those times. Now I don't know that much. I just stood below the fan, and I had the airflow. It was good. And I was being offered two fans. One was the Orient 48 inch. As you know, Orient is garbage. That's not a good fan. So I told better I would take this Khaitan only. So I got this Khaitan. So guys, that's it for today. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll meet you in the next video, and I'll see whether what I'm doing with the fan. So for now, see you in the next video.